Scandinavian lovers, this is for you. Just renovated in 2023, this is a massive 3,024 square feet apartment with 2 living areas, 1 large enclosed kitchen, 4 bedrooms, all en suite, and an abundance of space for your creativity. So where are we today? Welcome to Grange Heights. My name is Diana from the Property Runway, and today let me show you around. This is a space in the heart of Orchard Road, just a 6-minute stroll to Great World MRT, Great World Mall, and a 10-minute walk to Somerset MRT. Here, across 136,000 square feet of land, you have just 120 large units, as well as an array of facilities, ranging from the resort pool, gym, to the tennis courts. Now let's head up to the spectacular unit. From the moment you step in, instantly feel at home. The massive lounge area provides plenty of room for entertaining guests or simply a quiet night. Here you can easily fit in a 6 to 10-seater sofa or simply segregate the lounging areas like these to take in the sunlight and the greenery views. This entire home was fully renovated in 2023, from the flooring to the lighting as well as the carpentry, recreating this entire space into this modern Scandinavian haven. As for the dining area, now this space is fantastic for a 6-seater to a 10-seater depending on your family size. As for these doors, well, these two are actually doors to the storeroom, giving you plenty of room for storage. What about the kitchen? Well, the kitchen is just hidden here, well equipped with the best fittings, oven, stove, and of course, a large wash basin. Heading inwards away from the main area, we also have the laundry area and helpers' quarters. So one of the things that we really appreciate about this house is the large panel windows, allowing for plenty of light into every part of this house. And up here on the duplex level, we have a fabulously sized family area that even comes with a cubby corner, perfect for the young ones. Now visualize converting this space possibly into a 5th bedroom or even a study. And now for the sleeping quarters. We love how there's a bedroom just here, great for a guest room with their own ensuite bathroom. As we move further into the house, we also have these 3 fantastically sized bedrooms, all equipped with their own built-in wardrobes and ensuite bathrooms. Each bedroom has its very own character, suited to different members of your family or to cater to your different needs. Chic, well renovated, and in the heart of the city. Like to make this home exclusively yours? Call the Property Runway today. See you soon!